Hey Andrea, hey Brianna, what are you guys doing?
Hey Abby, we're just working on this biology project.
We're waiting for Dylan, but he's always late.
Hey guys, I'm here. Sorry.
Finally.
Can I see it?
Yeah, for sure.
The Capuchin Monkey, also known as Cebus capucinus. The whereabouts of the Capuchin monkey are actually unknown. However, there are a few places where they have been spotted. This monkey has been spotted in places like South Africa, Mexico, Brazil, and Latin America. They inhabit areas like dry forests, which are basically savannas, which are very hot, dry climate. They also inhabit the mangroves, which is a swampy area, and the tropical rainforests.
Capuchin monkeys that live in the wild live for 15 to 20 years, whereas capuchin monkeys that live in captivity live for 40 to 45 years.
A female capuchin monkey will be pregnant with her baby for about 2 months. When she gives birth, the baby will live on her back for 2 to 3 weeks. Only during this time will the baby be able to support its full weight on its tail. Male capuchin monkeys take about 7 years to sexually mature, whereas females only take about 4.5.
Capuchin monkeys are omnivores because they eat both plants and animals. They are also heterotrophic, which means they don't make their own food.
The capuchin monkey eats things like plants and leaves, insects, small frogs, fruits, small lizards, and other things like small mammals and small birds. When it comes to predators, the main predators of the capuchin monkey are the jaguar, the boa constrictor, the eagle, and the hawk. The capuchin monkey became popular after playing Spike in Ace Ventura's movies and Marcel as Ross's best friend in Friends. Since this monkey hit the spotlight, its populations have only been going down as a result of overhunting, keeping them as house pets, and using them for scientific research.
There are 9 types of capuchin monkeys, which means for every different type there's a different species name. However, they fall under the domain Eukarya, which means they have cytoskeletons and membrane-bound components. They then fall under the kingdom Animalia. Just like a horse or a puppy, the capuchin monkey falls into the kingdom Animalia because it's heterotrophic. For the phylum, the creature falls under Chordata. They are bilaterally symmetrical with their bodies divided into a head, trunk, and tail. They all also have a notochord and nerve cord just like a fish or a human. Because the capuchin monkey gives birth and nourishes their young, they are part of the class Mammalia.
Being part of the order primates, the capuchin monkey has a highly developed brain. Flat nails on their fingers and toes, however, some still have claws with long nails. The big toe of all primates was also moved down to the foot to create a pint that can grab object. Under the family Cedia, primates have round heads, flat wide noses, forward-facing eyes, and their bodies and tails are covered in fur. Finally, the genus of the capuchin monkey is Cebus. All organisms with this genus have prehensile tails, which means their tails can grasp objects. They also have opposable thumbs.
Did you know? Female capuchin monkeys stone the male capuchin monkeys they find cute, and they poke each other in the eye to reinforce bonds. They also pee on their hands and wash their feet with it.